Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, another blunder on the video. Jump right in the action that I saw this afternoon and didn't hit the record button. So on this morning's action, I had opportunities to get in here and I missed it. I had another opportunity to get in here and I missed it. So I took advantage of this downtrend right here and took advantage of this downtrend right here, and I netted 1850 over two accounts. Okay, so this is over two accounts. All right, and it was a pretty good run. Okay, so now afternoon session. I come over to the afternoon session. I'm just waiting on some setups. I had missed this setup right here. Then I missed this setup getting back inside right here. So right now we're inside market profile. We're on a level where it's just resting right now, and so so I'm just going to be patient and see if I can catch an afternoon trade to kind of finish off these two new accounts. Okay, so hang in there and I'll be right back. Again, I apologize for not being able to get those trades in this morning on video. Okay, but you can see the markers have them lit up on the trades that I took. All right, so hang in there and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I have a order sitting waiting. This will be a excuse me, a breakout on a different chart. Let me pull it down so you can see it. So as soon as we break this level here, I got an order sitting right there. So I'm just waiting on it to turn. That's the setup. So let's see if it comes into play. Okay. So hang in there. Be right back. Okay guys, so this turned right here. So I just took the order off, showing weakness in the market. The market's not looking strong to the upside. So we just have to sit on our hands and just wait for the next setup, okay? So be right back. Okay, so I got in on the breakout on the other chart. So here we go. Let's see if this trade will work out. Be right back. So I'm just waiting on this zone break setup. This is actually on the auto trade, so I just want to show you guys how this works. So let's just see if we can get a trade with the auto trader. Okay. Okay, guys, I think that's going to be it for today. I'm going to switch over to Sim, and the only reason why I'm stopping is because I'm at a level where the market should turn right now, so I don't want to play around with it. Okay, so thanks for hanging out. Sorry about earlier with the video earlier. Just, it happens. So at least you was able to see some live trades in this one video anyway. So, okay. Thanks for hanging out, and I'll see you on another video. Bye for now.